Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here, and today's vlog, it's another review vlog. And right now I am right here on my kitchen, and so because we're gonna review this Ninja air fryer. So yeah, I'll show you. So that's the Ninja air fryer right here, and sorry, it's because I've been using that one, so yeah, and it's not that clean. So yeah, this is the air fryer, Ninja air fryer right there, and as you can see, and so that's Ninja SPO1 digital air fryer, countertop oven with 8-in-1 functionality, flip up and away capability by storage space with air fry basket, wire, and rack and crumb tray silver. So yeah, and I'll show you. So that's the air fryer. Let me put the tripod on my so I am here in my kitchen, and my little tiny kitchen. So yeah, and this right here is the air fryer right here, and as you can see, there you go. So it has crispy control right here, as you can see, and it has 8 functions. It has 8 functions to elevate your cooking. It has 8 functions to elevate your cooking for this air fryer. So first, it has air fry, and second is air roast, and third one is air broil. I love this one. And bake, you can also bake here, and dehydrate, warm, toast, and bagel. So yeah, and I super love this. I got this for 12 months ago, and although I haven't opened here at home, but I was smart as instant, you know, they're really as of the moment and until now. So yeah, why not? is a kind of air fryer that you can look in online, but this one is on Amazon, and I can put in the link on my description so that you guys, if you're interested, you can check it out, and if you guys, you can place your order, why not? So yeah, and so it's called 8-in-1. It's because of its 8 functional to elevate your cooking. So like I said, it has the air fryer, air fry, air roast, air broil, and bake, dehydrate, keep warm, and toast, and last is the bagel. And it has like start, pause, you can press there, and also it has time and temperature, darkness. So yeah, it's easy. So you just do like that one, close and open, and you can flip it up, since I can do it, but I can put the, what do you call this one, I can put the picture on, I can slide the picture as well, so, and how it looks like when it's flip it up. And it's easy to clean. It's easy to clean this one, you know. So yeah, this is the air fryer, and I'll show you around with this air fryer there. So it has, see, I'm gonna turn it on. See, it has time. As you can see, it has time there. And if you want air fryer, if you want, you just, if time to slice, you can just do like that, or you know, change whatever you want. If you want air fryer, you can just this one. So air roast, bake, you can do bake, dehydrate, keep warm, and toast. That's it. And also bagels. So you can, there's 8 ways of out from this air fryer. Just one thing about Ninja, so it's pretty cool, huh? So yeah, and so it has time, and it has a push button here. It's just touch, see there, it's easy, and you can unplug it, this one, and yeah, turn it off. Let's try to turn it off. And this one, the temperature, darkness, and see this one there when you open, so that one. So yeah, look at the weed, that's the weed part there, the side, see, and the other side of the air fryer there. And yeah, it's amazing. See this one, and there. So that's the back part. So don't mind on the bottom part, because this is our microwave. And yeah, and I think this is the perfect light here. I just noticed. So yeah, I love this air fryer at home, you know. So like I said, it has 8 functional ways to elevate your cooking and out from this Ninja SPO101. I don't know why it's called as SPO1. It's not even a sheriff, because in the way back in the Philippines, SPO1 are rank of policeman, but here in the US called sheriff. And yeah, and this is the side part, the right side of the other side of the air fryer right there. And as you can see, and I think I'm gonna close the curtain so that you can see the background. So yeah, I super love this kind of what you call this, Ninja Ninja 8-in-1 air fryer oven. So I'm in love, and the reason my husband bought this one for me, it's because so that I don't need to use our big oven here on my side. But this one is just instant. You can put your toast here. You can put if you want to grill, you can just set it on for air broil. And so far I've been cooking a lot of like beef ribs or pork ribs teriyaki. So yeah, and this is like perfect. So yeah, and it's easy to clean. And then this one, you just flip it up, and then voila, then it's ready to go. And you can clean. And so look at this part here, and so this is the part here. Since I'm already closed the curtain, and it looks way better. That's there. And I think this is the perfect lighting here for my kitchen. So yeah, and I super love it, and thank you so much. So once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle, and see you in my next vlog. And don't forget to hit the notification below. And yeah, so thank you for watching. This has been Erica Lifestyle, and saying to you, take care and stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.